Hi everyone, I'd like to welcome you to the Programmer Art channel, and today I've prepared something really special for you. I am going to introduce you to Notepad AI, which is an advanced notepad with built-in artificial intelligence. With it, you can benefit from translations into 32 languages, a calculator, a database for storing important information, as well as many other features that will make your daily work much easier. Stay with me to find out how to get the most out of Notepad AI. I invite you to take a look. Notepad AI was developed in the Lazarus 2.2.6 environment, with the first version released on 27 December 2022. Notepad AI is an advanced notepad with built-in artificial intelligence. It uses the ChatGPT API and the DeepL API for translations into 32 languages. In addition, the program includes a calculator, a database for storing important information, and a database search engine. It can convert inches to centimeters and vice versa, calculate discounts, and search and replace words in the main window with other values. The program is translated into 10 languages. The program can open files in TXT, ODT, RTF formats and save in these formats. It has an always-on-top mode, which ensures that no application obscures it, and a normal mode. In the program settings, you can change the colors of the application and add the DeepL Free and PRO API key. Thank you for watching this episode. I hope you found the information about Notepad AI useful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future episodes. Give a paw up if you enjoyed this video and share it with your friends. See you in the next episode.
In a world of code, there's a name we know. Lazarus, rising high, watch it grow. Delphi compatible, cross-platform shine. Write once, compile anywhere, it's your time. API independent, choose your way. GTK plus Winfrey to make your play. Open source, freedom, GPL's the key. Build your dreams, let your code run free. Lazarus the idea, for free Pascal, for you and me. Duffy's power everywhere, write once, compile anywhere. Write once, compile anywhere. Windows, Linux, MacOS, no recoding, we do it best. Widget sets, you choose the path, compile and run, feel the tech blast. API independent, choose your way. GTK plus Winfrey to make your play. Open source, freedom, GPL's the key. Build your dreams, let your code run free. Lazarus the idea, for free Pascal, for you and me. Delphi's power everywhere, write once, compile anywhere. Write once, compile anywhere. From Megiddo's ashes, Lazarus rose, a tool for coders where anything goes. Commercial or free, your choice to make. With Lazarus, your future's at stake. Lazarus the idea, for free Pascal, for you and me. Duffy's power everywhere, write once, compile anywhere. Write once, compile anywhere. With Lazarus, the future's mine.